Hello and welcome to our presentation. We are Flash and we can't wait to show you what Flash, our app, is all about. So first, we want to guide you through the process that we actually as a group went through. First, we had a brainstorming and decided where we have a common interest and where we would all see room for improvement. So we try to find where the problem is that we want to solve with our app. In the second step, we checked which competitors we have, we checked the market segmentation, and we try to compare our ideas with the already existing ones. And we realized that there's none that includes all our needs and wishes. So in the third step, we had kind of the theoretical finalization. We wrote down what our explicit wishes are and what we want to include in the app after knowing what our competitors offer and what our needs and wishes are. And in the fourth step, we basically designed it and finished everything and made it different to the already existing ones and tried to include everything in a smart and self-explaining way. So on this slide, we see where the need is and why our app is so important and useful for so many students. We realized that there are way too many different platforms. So you have a platform for your email account, you have a platform for different slides that are uploaded by the professors. There are so many different platforms at the same time, and it would be so much more useful if we would have it in one app. We also realized that there's a big lack of communication or actually connection between the professors and the students. So we decided to add a chat function to it so they can stay connected. We also saw that there are no insights into the grades very often, which is not the best for the students because they have no overview where they're standing at. And we also agreed that nowadays we all have smartphones, so why not doing the attendance check with the smartphone? So on this slide, you see our homepage, like our start screen from the Flash app. You see our unique selling points that we have. I already mentioned some of them. One is the QR scan that we have for the attendance at the lectures with the smartphone, which is very handy. So no professor needs to write down who's participating. That's very easy. And then the chat function. So even the professors and your classmates, you can chat with all of them and stay connected to them. You also have an overview of your time schedule. You will see the next upcoming sports event and also the food plan of the cafeteria, for example. And you will also get insight into the grades and your courses that you've passed or maybe even failed.
Some of our characteristics for our app, it has to be intuitive and multifunctional. It must be simple and easy to navigate. It's a high function app for all universities. It's minimalistic and has a modern look. We have questionnaires, poll on certain topics, and a chat function to improve communication between your professors and students in the class. And also, this app is user-friendly.
Yeah, so our biggest competitors on the market are Moodle, UniNow, and Blackboard. What sets us apart from them, though, is our app is very user-friendly. You can open PDFs and Word documents in the app. You can choose and decide for cafeteria options of the day, quickly see recent sporting events happening, and also communicate way easier with advisors, professors, and other students.
In our target audience, we really wanted to focus in on students from all universities in the United States, since we all use those multiple platforms. Professors, lecturers, and coaches, as well as advisors, I think can really benefit from this, let alone all staff working at each university, let alone because it is a community.
So we had a couple interviews for our app and a couple surveys that asked if this app is useful what would you like to see about this app, and what you would use an app like. Would you use an app like this? What more would you like to see about this app? We had success from our surveyors and interviewers. They said they love the app and how scholastics and sports are intervened, and a lot of the students said that they would use this app on a daily basis.
So for the start of our homepage, it's very simple and easy to navigate. Starts off with today's date with a quick little summary of your day, starting with your class schedule, any activities or sports for the day, your classes, if you have any messages from your professors, along with the scroll bar at the bottom, which is the chat schedule, cafeteria menu, activity schedule, and your class schedule. So if you were to select the cafeteria or the pretzel, it would bring up breakfast, lunch, and dinner and the times that they start, along with the menu. So it's very easy to navigate, and you can then switch between the next icon. So from going from lunch menu to chat, it's just that easy of selecting the bubble. Now you can see messages from either your teacher or your peer, and you can see that's highlighted in the blue for unread and green for read. And you also got a little reminder at the top to let you know how many unread messages, along with a button at the bottom that will let you to send your own message of your own.
Yeah, so next we have the time schedule function. Here you're able to sign in all your appointments, assignments, deadlines, classes, of course, and in return have a really clear overview of everything important. Next, if you tap on the icon on the far right corner, you will get to your classes overview. Not only can you see your average overall results of your classes, but you can also choose your desired class for more insights, for more information about your assignments and the grades achieved there. Additionally, you can also scan in QR codes for your attendance in your lectures.
For this function, we implemented the use for sporting events in our app. If you click on the football icon at the bottom of the screen, it gives you what sports are available that day, and the certain sports that are available. For example, the basketball is for basketball, and the football icon is for football. And we have the time of the sports games that are available that day on the right-hand side. Thank you guys for listening to our pitch. We hope to see you soon in the app. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Okay. So,
You're recording.
what do you guys say?